Everybody, this is Brian back with a Covalent CQT video. I had a few subscribers ask me to look into this, so that's what we're doing today, taking a look in here. And from what I gathered, this is a AI coin, another AI coin, which boy, them things have been doing tremendously well, that's for sure, especially Fetch and Singularity. I cover those two. Them coins have been rocketing, but we'll get a look at this chart here in a second. I got a little bit of news to go over, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you here. Just did a 100 ADA giveaway there over the weekend, and all you have to do to enter is be a subscriber to the channel, and we would love to have you here. Got a great group of people in here. You know, a lot of positive stuff, and just a great. I'm honored to be associated with everybody, so thank you. It says here, Covalent and Arbitrum Nova team up to empower Web3 developers with blockchain data. So I've heard of Arbitrum before. Did a video on them yesterday. Covalent has partnered with Arbitrum Nova to improve data availability for developers building next-gen gaming and social apps with deep, granular, and historic blockchain data from over 90 blockchains and alternative sources. It says here they are a provider of deep, granular, and historic blockchain data, has announced a collaboration with Arbitrum. So that's pretty big news. You want to see your coin in the news for sure. You know, that definitely keeps interest in it, keeps buyers coming in. And you definitely want to see articles written about it. So it says here, what is Covalent? It says Covalent provides the industry-leading unified API, artificial intelligence there, allowing Web3 data points to be visible. Covalent is used by developers and analysts to create multi-chain apps, such as crypto wallets, NFT galleries, and investor dashboard tools that use data from 94 plus blockchains. 40,000 plus developers rely on Covalent to power data for more than 5,000 apps, including Ox, Zerion, Rainbow Wallet, Rotkey, Bitsky, and many others. That's pretty cool. Wow. 40,000 developers rely on this. That's a lot. So that's pretty good. You want to see your definitely see your coin in the news. Here's the top 100 today. The crypto bubbles, your greens are all your positives. SXP, not sure what that one is, but you can see here we're starting to get some more green popping in the market. Looks like maybe Bitcoin is done with that ABC correction. I might have missed that by a couple $100 there as far as that C leg, but here's your crypto fear and greed index. The market cap is down 0.59%. Volume's up 46.2%. Bitcoin dominance is up just a sliver, 0.14%, and we were at a 63. Still in greed, same as yesterday. Here's your top gainers and top losers from Coin Market Cap, and that's you can see over here, they're not big losses at all, kind of like yesterday, kind of almost a flat morning here so far till we get moving. So let's take a look at this chart here. Okay, this is on the daily. Let's pull this RSI up here. In fact, one thing I want to point out right off the bat, when I first got into crypto, a guy always told me, you know, rounded bottoms pay the bills. Okay, you can see that thing is definitely a rounded bottom, so that's a good sign right off the bat. This thing is obviously you know, consolidating in this wedge. We have support down here and resistance up here, and it's coming to a point here. Okay, something's going to give here real soon. Let's take a look at some of these RSIs. The daily is at the top, the 1 hour is on its way up, the 2 is down at the bottom, and the RSIs are right down here in case you don't know. The 4 is just starting up, that's good. The 8 is on its way down, and the 12 is on its way down. So this is kind of a mixed bag with the RSIs here. Let's see here, we have major support at 0.1466. Okay, we have major support there that has held us through, let me point these out here. that has held us right through here. Okay, this came had support over here. It was support through here, so we have a major support here that looks super strong. I don't think that is going to pull down any further. Let's get a look at a Fibonacci on this as far as a pullback goes. Let's see where we're at here. Apologize, give me 1 second to get this up here. Alright, that'll work. Okay, we're down. Yeah, we're at about the 702. That's fine, okay? The 618 is a really good spot for a coin to bounce, but that 702 is perfect. You know, this thing could go. What's going to determine this, and I truly believe it, is Bitcoin. If Bitcoin turns around today, and let's get a look at Bitcoin, because it, I want to show you that ABC leg I was talking about up here. Let's zoom in here on this thing and get a look here. It was forming this wedge up top. Okay, and it looks like that C leg I had down here might have came up a little short. I had it coming down to 27,330 something, and it stopped at 27,580. So might have held up a couple $100 there. It could be done, and it could be on its way up now. That 4-hour RSI for Bitcoin is heading up, which is good to see. And I believe the 1 hour is coming down, but it's starting to curve back up there too. You can see the thing wanting to curve back up there. The 12 is about in the middle, and the 8 is down at the bottom. So, you know, we could get a bounce today, and that's what we would need, honestly, I believe, for this this thing to bounce out of here. You can see on the 8-hour we have a green candle forming on this thing. So if this thing busts out, it's going to bust out big. You know, let's zoom out here and give a measurement on this thing if it does go. Okay, if it busts out, which most of the time, you know, these, like I said, these rounded bottoms, boy, you love seeing them. You know, this isn't financial advice at all, but, you know, this thing could head up to the 25-cent area if this thing breaks out from here. So we're just going to have to see how this plays out, honestly. If Bitcoin goes on a run today, I would expect this thing, it's going to break within the next day or so, one way or the other. Okay, if it breaks down, you know, we have major support down here at but 0.129, roughly 0.12, yeah, 0.129. Okay, and our first area of resistance, if we do break out, is going to be that 17-cent area. So keep an eye on them areas, okay? We have good support at 0.14467. But if Bitcoin does something today, I would expect this thing to go today. You know, it's not going to run straight up there, but, you know, they step ladder up. So I'll keep an eye on it, guys. If we do get a breakout, I'm going to set an alarm here on this price. So if we do get a breakout, it will notify me immediately. There we go. I'll set an alarm there and one here. So if it goes, I will be back on with a video and definitely get back to you. Thank you very much, guys, for watching the video today. I apologize. It's a new coin I'm covering, so I'm looking at this chart for the first time. So thank you very much. Have a great day.